Checking if we're live right now. Hold on one second. We should be live. Welcome to the live stream. Okay. Give me 1 second. We got 8 minutes left until the market closes. Welcome, Boss City. Welcome, Fahad. Live right now. Alright, this should be fine. We're going to be checking what the S&P is doing. Really briefly. Okay, so looking at the 1 hour, I think. Looking a bit bullish. So, okay, the 4 hours, still bearish. But generally speaking, I would say it's looking quite bullish somehow. We're just going sideways. Not a whole lot of bearish momentum. I mean, we could keep going down. If the daily is bearish, then yeah, we're going to go bearish. I would say that the daily is bearish. Yeah. We're going to probably come back down. Yeah, we're probably going to come back down. So S&P looking bearish the coming days. Well, at least this week could be a little bit sideways / bullish, but generally speaking, if we see any upside move, we're going to come back down just like that the days after. So, which would look something like this. See a bullish move and then see us go down just like that. Yeah, something like that, right? I want to check the NASDAQ real quick. 5 minutes until the markets are going to be open. So, very interesting. I'm going to be looking at Palantir in just a second. I know you guys want to see Palantir, so. I thought we would go down and then go up for the NASDAQ. Which could still happen. Yeah, we're bullish on the 4 hours, so. After the correction, we're going to be bullish again. Also bullish on the 1 day. NASDAQ looking fine. Looking a lot better than the S&P, I can tell you that. Now let's go back to... I want to check Tesla real quick. Looking at 415. It's down a bit because the NASDAQ is down a bit. What's Apple doing? Apple is staying the same level. Nothing happening there. About to go up though for Apple. Palantir. Yeah, so what did we say? We said we would go up all the way. I guess that happened. Kind of funny actually. Didn't expect it. So earnings is today, right? We're going to be live streaming that if earnings is going to be tonight. Yeah, right? So if it's after if it's in the after hours, we will be live streaming the Palantir event. So yeah, it's looking like it's about to come down massively. So it's going to come down massively, guys. It's at yeah. Yeah, you want to get off of this one. This is looking pretty bearish. Looking pretty bearish. You never know, because if earnings is significantly good, Could mean something else, but we're also overbought on the daily. 4 hours overbought as well. 3 hours overbought. 2 hours overbought. Now it's all going to depend on earnings. If earnings are good, we will go up. If earnings are bad or neutral, we will go down. So they need good earnings to go up. Like really good earnings. If it's not really good, we're going to go down anyway. So I would say that this pattern that I drew was pretty accurate. Although we didn't have a dip here, but it was a small dip. Like this dip we see right there. I thought there would be a bigger dip, but apparently not. But yeah, so far been quite accurate about Palantir. Market about to open in 2 minutes. Gonna have to share the link. That should be it. All right. So I'm gonna draw a quick pattern for Palantir because you guys are holding Palantir. I would say this could go all the way up. No. Hold on. I think it's gonna move sideways and then go down. Just like that. To approximately $15, see a big bounce and then go down again. We're going to have a correction. That's what I think is going to happen. Could be a potential short opportunity. It's going to be really bearish. People are going to sell off like mad. Unless earnings is good. If earnings is good, we're going to shoot to the $20. But we'll see. We'll see what happens at earnings, right? But yeah, that's what I would say would be probably happening for Palantir. XPeng. Let's go to XPeng. A Chinese EV manufacturer, I believe. But yeah, Palantir is a good buy for long term, so you should be fine either way. So we said it would go down. Well, it did go down, but then it went up. What happened? No, earnings were good. Yeah, we did say that if earnings were good, yeah, then definitely it would go up. I would say this is going to correct. I mean, what else would happen, right? Markets just opened. Ooh, maybe I'm wrong about this. Maybe this is not going to just correct. 1 hour looks like we're going to go up significantly. 4 hours? Yeah, this is not bearish. This is really bullish. This is really, really bullish. This is really, really bullish. This could see ourselves go to overbought levels. Yeah. Okay, this is really weird. So the daily is negative, but the 1 hour and 4 hour are positive, which means I get it now. So I think what's going to happen is we're going to swing to the upside, and then we come back down again. Yeah, something similar to that. We'll have some upwards momentum, just like that, and we're going to come back down. That's what I think would happen for XPeng. Although the RSI is suggesting something else. RSI is suggesting bearishness and then bullishness and then bearishness. So this could, if we're realistic, come back down, go back up, come back down. For XPeng. Markets are open. I want to see what Tesla's doing. Tesla going down. See what NIO's doing. Checking my app. NIO's going up. NIO's going through the roof. That's really weird. So Tesla's going down, but NIO's going up. Incredible. Well, it could have to do with earnings, right? Yeah, suddenly they're skyrocketing. But let's see what happens. $45. See if this bullish momentum will continue. We're at the bearish channel. Let's just hold on. All right. 30 minutes is looking like it's about to go bearish, but we'll see what happens, right? I mean, this could keep going onwards for quite some time. Okay, 4 hours looking bullish. Now, the question is, are we going to bounce off of this to the downside, or is this going to keep on going? That's the question. Because it looks like it's struggling at $45. Or am I wrong? We're breaching 45, going up to 45.1. Okay. Let's see what happens. Everybody wants to see Tesla? Oh wow, we're pushing higher. 45.3. There we go. So this is a run of about approximately, I would say, almost $7, right? Which is like 15% in 1.5 days. Crazy amounts of upside. But we have to cross first. Do we cross? That's the question. If we cross, this is going to go to $50. If we don't, that's the correction. Let's go to Tesla. Tesla's 415.2. It's going down. It's about to go up on the 4 hours. So let's see what happens there. Although on the 30 minutes, it's looking bearish. So some short-term negativity. And then we'll go bullish again. But I still say it's bullish. So we're at 417 now. Oh my God, my Neo shorts are burned. So sad. I guess we were wrong about that one, partially. But we could still go down, you know. Neo's up like what, 7%, 5%, there we go. We're already starting to come down a bit. And this bullish momentum will not last that long, I would say. You gotta stay calm. This could come down all the way. Potentially. But we'll see. We hit the overbought level. We're trying to create all-time highs, but the markets are going down. S&P going down. Dow Jones going down. Neo's up so far. Is this another bull run to the $50, or is this just a dead cat bounce? That is the question, right? Everything going down, but Neo's climbing higher. Well, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see how long this bullish run will last. So, 1 hour. Looking pretty bullish in the 1 hour. No, never mind. It doesn't look that bullish, actually. Like, this could go up just like that and then come back down. Hitting the 45.4. Still going up. NIO going up 5.4% today. After the previous bull run. So we're going up 5% after going up almost 10%. Okay, we're still going up. Look at that candle. This candle is massive. Look at that. Last time we had a candle was right there. We had one right here, right there. So I think there's going to be either some sideways movement coming or we're going to go down right away. Who would buy NIO in the right mind at $45? Checking the live chat. Is Palantir climbing? Well, let me check. Interesting. So all the stocks that have earnings coming up are climbing, but all other stocks are going down. Well, I think it's about to come down though. Doesn't look very bullish to me. NIO's struggling at 45. Look at that. The bearish channel that we drew, working perfectly fine. Coming back down to earth now. 44.9. Scary. I'm never gonna short NIO again after this. If there's an after this, man, this is gonna like burn me so hard. I started shorting at like $44, 44.2, 44.3, 44.5, etc. Oh gosh, my neck. Okay, 45.17. There we go. Volume is picking up right now. But we're having a tough time breaking through this channel right here. We're breaking through right now. Going down to the 44.9. It's really irregular because it's like NIO's going up 5% while the whole market is like not even that bullish. I mean, yes, earnings is coming up, but we had quite some rallying going on, right? We had a lot of anticipation rallying. So I think it's a dead cat bounce, but we'll see. I mean, NIO's sitting at a 60 billion market cap. Should it be sitting at that right now? $60 billion. It's not even selling that many vehicles. It's more overvalued than Tesla. Like in terms of, if you would compare back when Tesla was the same size, they were not valued at this current valuation. What is AMD doing? Oh gosh, I got the wrong one. Is AMD coming down? Oh yeah, it's bullish. Yeah, we drew it would go bullish, right? So yeah, it's still looking bullish. There could be tiny corrections, but so far still looking bullish. Well, let's just check the daily quick. Still bullish. Gonna go back to NIO. Still struggling at 45. Coming back to 44.7. Wow, this is a war between the bulls and the bears. Look at that. Wow, that's insane. That's insane. I really like looking at NIO. It's really interesting. Yeah, they're pumping it up pre-earnings. This is ridiculous. Like, the valuation doesn't make any sense anymore. It's just no sense. Like, why should it be valued like this at this current moment? I mean, yes, if they're selling like 10 times more vehicles, okay, cool, let's double the price. But right now, not really. I mean, they have what, $2.5 billion worth of revenue? That's not a lot of revenue, right? It's being valued as a technology company, but they're not a technology company. Are they? Is NIO a technology company? I don't think so. They sell cars. They sell cars primarily. So I don't think you could say the same about Tesla. Tesla should be valued as a technology company because they have like lots of different aspects to their business. Almost like the Apple of cars. Palantir in the red. Let me check that out. Yeah, there we go. There we go. That's a sell-off. That's what we were talking about. Did earnings get released? Wait. We said it would correct, so we corrected it, right? Oh my god, oh my god, please. Could you... Palantir Investor Relations. Did they do anything? Can't find anything. I think they didn't report anything. It's just people are selling off, taking profits, which we predicted. We said, hey, downwards move coming. There it is. Buying opportunities coming. This is going to be very, very nice. Very nice. This is just the beginning. This is going to keep going down. Yeah, this is just the beginning. Probably go down just like that. But you know. Oh boy, NIO. NIO's dropping as well now. 44.13. There we go. Both NIO and Palantir are dropping right now. And NIO is still overbought. It's still like super high on the RSI. So expect NIO to go lower. It's not good. Oh, cool. If Palantir is releasing earnings after market close, I'll be live streaming that. Make sure you are subscribed, because then you'll get a notification, obviously. Oh my gosh, guys, we are at 6,500 subscribers. We were at 6,000 subscribers like a couple days ago. That is insane. What the hell? Yeah. Damn it. Okay, so we're going for 7,000 subscribers next. Make sure you hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. That would make my day. Dang it. It's going really fast. Palantir, well, I'm going to be looking at NIO for a brief moment, guys. Because I'm holding a short position on NIO. I want to see what's happening. Right now, I'm in the green. So, let's see. This is the first bearish candle we've seen in 2 days. But yeah, we're coming back up again, or not. I don't know. Who's buying NIO at this moment? I really am wondering this. Are there generally like... It's like, what are they expecting? Okay, so we have another bullish candle coming up. 44.5, there we go. Is this another rally? I'm just go to the... I'm just going to go to the 1 hour. The 1 hour is also about to come down. I don't see any bullishness there. 2 hour, 3 hours. Okay, so 3 hours is potentially bullish, but we don't know that yet. What did we do last earnings, right? So last earnings we had a run up towards earnings. So then we had earnings and then we went down significantly. So yeah. Earnings before that, what happened then? Earnings before that, we had a run up until earnings and then we went down. And then we had an earnings where we, well, this is the first, this was March. We can't count that. So for NIO, every time we have earnings, usually we either have a run up to earnings and go down, or we have us going down and then running up. Yeah, there we go. That was really awful. So I'm just gonna check my positions. Yeah, we could potentially be going down after earnings. So that's what I'm seeing right now. Like the pattern is usually we go up until earnings and then after earnings we go down. So there's still some tiny amount of juice left, which could mean we're going sideways, pretty much. Sold a little bit of, or I bought a little bit of NIO back for my short position just in case. Because there could still be, because of the 4 hours, there could still be a little bit of positiveness for NIO coming. Right here. This could be going like that. I think it's gonna cross now, because I looked at the past earnings and usually we go up before earnings and then we come down. So I'll expect something like that. It doesn't mean necessarily we're gonna go to $50. However, it does mean that we may not come down until earnings, or we have some bearishness, but we keep going upwards. So this could mean that not that way, but more like this. And then we have earnings and we go down. Or we go up slightly and then we go down. Based off of historical patterns, right? The history of NIO. But on the 1 day, you can clearly see we're about to be heading downwards significantly. So, same on the RSI. A little bit of an up move left and then pretty much coming down. I think NIO, I don't think there's a lot of bullishness left for NIO, honestly. I mean, who's pumping NIO at this point? I don't understand. Who's pumping this stock right now at $45? That's like people are pumping Tesla at $500. I think it's mostly retail, but the volume is suggesting that this is not retail, right? The volume is suggesting this is some institution, most likely. So that could potentially mean that they're buying it right now and then pushing it a couple percentages higher and then selling. Did we see this before? Yeah, we did. Look at that. Volume very positive. We saw sell-off right there. Volume very positive. Saw sell-off right there and right here. So could this mean that they're doing another pump and dump? Possibly. It's pretty crazy. Crazy price movement. But I don't think there's a lot of space left for much more to the upside. Because you can see RSI is already like... I mean, we could go up another... There's maybe 7 to 10% to the upside left. But that's it. That is it, right? I mean, would you risk your money for 7 to 10% and then go down 30%? It's a little crazy. And it's not even guaranteed. Because the MACD is not necessarily moving upwards. We had a huge extended move on the MACD, which usually we start correcting. So right here we could start correcting. Which we'll see what happens, right? But yeah, the jobless claims were pretty positive. As in, less people claimed for jobless. So that could mean that would be the catalyst for this move. Let's see, check the Tesla stock right now. Tesla's having a bit of a correction on the 30 minutes. That's not too surprising. We already said that this would happen. So we should be fine. I find it a bit surprising that NIO is going up, but Tesla's going down. Look at that extended move. What the frick? That is insane. This is in one day. One day it goes up like 15%. Wow. It's more than 15. It's like 16, 17%, right? I mean, we can look at Google. So if you take a look, this is the bottom. Actually, it went even lower than this, but Google's not showing it. So we went up 13% just since yesterday. 13%. And but it's even higher than that because the bottom was at 38, but it just doesn't show it here in Google. So 13%, here we go. Just go up 13% one day. Look at that bullish candle. Look at that bullish candle. What the freaking hell? What is happening? Look how... I have no words. I have no words, right? Honestly. High RSI, high MACD, high price, and it's still going up. Okay, 45.1. Let's see how far this is going to go up. We are sitting at all-time highs. Remember that. We've never been at this level before. Never ever. We're overbought on the 30 minutes. So, but yeah, I mean, if this keeps going up, we'll go to 50. If it doesn't, we're going to go to the 30s. So, Palantir is selling off, right? Yeah, like we said it would, because it already had a rally of like 60% or something. Yeah, there we go. Whoa. Palantir is, yeah, this insane. How much is it down? 6.8%. Guys, buying opportunity. Small amounts. Small amounts of buying opportunities. I think we could possibly come back down to 13.9 to 13.5, right around this range. That would be a nice buy. Tesla sitting at 416 doing nothing. NIO still going up. Palantir going down, Tesla going down, NIO going up. Insane world we live in. Wow, 45.16. Are we going to go to the first? I think we're going to go to the 46 now. Are we? 46? 46 coming up? Wow. 45.38? Dang it doesn't stop. I'm going to look at the 5 minutes. See what the 5 minutes are doing. It's a little bit more accurate. Well, it's suggesting we're going to go down, but I'm not sure about that. It bounces off the 43.9. So, and this is a clear resistance right now. So we did get the resistance right. It really doesn't want to go up above that resistance. But so far it looks like we could potentially go there again. I mean, why the hell not? MACD could go up. On the short term, it's looking like we could stay here quite some time. So, could take a while before we see anything bearish. But let's take a look at the 15 minutes. Yeah, okay, so the bearishness was canceled out. I see this often with NIO. It's like it's about to go down, but we see another pump. It's about to go down, but we see another pump. So, definitely looking bearish, though. It's about to come down. Look at that bullishness. I don't think this will last that long. So, we could see a tiny pump and then we'll go back down. We see some. We see the first bearish candle. See if it stays bearish. That's the question. And look at the 30 minutes. 30 minutes is also going to be bearish very soon. Which we'll see what happens. Okay. Yeah, 1 minute about to come down. 3 minutes about to come down. 5 minutes about to come down. 30 minutes about to come down. 45 minutes about to come down. The 1 hour is about to come down. The 2 hours, I don't know about that yet. But it could come down, potentially. The 3 hours about to go up. Possibly for a brief period of bullishness. So I think from here on, we could see bearishness for the whole day for NIO. But that's my opinion. We'll see what happens. We just hit the overbought level, and yeah, I mean that's definitely, usually it's a very negative signal, but you never know. This is NIO stock. We skyrocket all the time, so we'll see what happens. Yeah, we're going bullish again. Hey, we're going bullish. 45.4, 46 coming up. This is just crazy. It's like every bearish signal is being denied. It's like, no, this can't go down. It's not allowed to go down. It has to go up. We already went up like 15 to 17%. Seems like, and this was in 24 hours. So it seems like we're going to the 46 now, 45.5. Hold on. 45.6. Still going bullish, going strong. 45.7. Hold on. We are at the 45.7. We are now in bullish territory, or I mean overbought territory, 45.7. Usually, we either push all the way to, I think we're going to push another couple percent. We're at 45.8. But then we see a crash happen, like right there, where we went down significantly. So this is not going to last long. This will stay here another couple hours, potentially couple hours, and then we'll come back down. This could be a very, very sharp crash, so be prepared. I am down about $1,500 on my NEO short position, but remain calm. Always remain calm, even if you're down, because there could be a turnaround in any case. So it looks like we're about to see a repeat of, hold on, this right there. However, we're not seeing this whole repeat. We're seeing just this side of it. So we might go down, go up just a little bit more, potentially to 47. But it's also going to depend on the markets. Yeah, also overbought on the 4 hours very soon, so this could be very negative. 45.8. Tesla going up 419. And S&P still down. Dow is still down. I think it's the Nasdaq going up, isn't it? Probably the Nasdaq's going up. Yeah, the Nasdaq is about to go bullish. It's 0.4% in bullish territory. Yep, looking pretty nice. Nasdaq is about to go up. It's not going to go up significantly. You can see that the Nasdaq, the RSI, looks a lot like Tesla and NEO's RSI. It's kind of interesting. Going back to NEO. Has it hit 46? Ooh, we're about to hit $46 on NEO. 46 has been reached. 46.1. There we go. We hit the overbought. Let's see how long we stay in this area. $46.1. Bullishness is continuing. We see that the bullishness, in comparison to what we have seen in the past, we have not seen anything similar since pretty much ever. This kind of bullishness, we've not seen anything like this before. Not even comparable to past months, right? So this is a unique event, and we'll see what happens. Still bullish. People are buying it at $46. It's crazy, people. Checking the live chat real quick. See if people are roasting me for shorting NEO. Nobody's roasting me. Come on, guys. You should roast me. I'm shorting NEO, and I'm down like $1,600. It's a lot of money, you know? I think potentially, because we're above the bearish channel, this could, in theory, once people think it's the right price to sell, it could come back down just like that. And not even just like that. Actually, just like this. But we'll see what happens, right? So more like this, honestly. Yeah. Yeah, that's could be realistic. So just like that. I could be wrong though. We're correcting a bit now. You do see that the bullish cycle is almost over. I think there are more people bullish on NEO than bearish. That's why the stock's going up. That's literally how it works. Oh, we're going back to 46. Interesting. We had this whole move, right? Going to 46. Bearishness, bullishness still not over. Look how extended the MACD is. However, the MACD is about to top. So could 46 be the price where we start crashing down? Or this could potentially be some sideways movement at this level. That way the bullish people, like the people that bought the stock won't win. The people that are shorting the stock won't win. And it will just go sideways at this level. That would be just annoying. Come on, Neo, give us some juice. It has to come down. It's just only bullish. Nothing else so far. Tesla's going up to 419. Still staying at that level. Yeah, daily. Look at a daily though. It's still bullish. Oh my god. This is so ridiculous. It's so parabolic. Look at that. Shooting upwards. It does look like the daily is about to come down, so that's usually a very bearish signal, indicating 30 to 40% downwards move. We're still sitting at 45. $45.8. Sitting around there. Okay. Nothing happening. It's just going up 6%. What's the SPY doing? Possibly about to come down. About to come down on the SPY. What's Apple doing? Apple is maybe going down a little bit more. Tesla. I think Tesla's still not done correcting though. Tesla still needs to come down just a little bit before going up. And I would say AMD. AMD is about to correct, like we said, and then go up. And Amazon. I want to check Amazon. What's Amazon doing? Amazon's about to come down as well. Something like that would happen, right? So there's a lot of stocks that are looking bearish, but NEO is skyrocketing. Yeah, what the freaking hell? It's just going. It's as if the banks chose NEO as their as the stock that they put all their reserves in, right? So it's like, All right, cool. Just sold all my Amazon stock. Let me just put my money into NIO like a wallet. Cause there is no fundamental catalyst right now besides earnings that is pushing this higher. So it's not like they're delivering more day by day, or there's like good news, or it's just, yeah, it's just, I don't know. NIO's sitting at 46. Are we going to 47 next? Looks like it. Have we seen a similar move like this? Honestly, I don't think so. Usually we don't go up this much. Not even at earnings, right? We didn't see this kind of move at earnings either. And we see it's just very volatile. We're up 7% on NIO after going up 10% yesterday. Crazy. No, Tesla's going up, so that's cool. It's pretty fine. Big bullish candle, isn't it? There we go. What's NIO's market cap? NIO has a market cap of 61 billion. Damn. How many cars delivered? 2020. Super strong. Let me see. It doubled its electric vehicle deliveries. Yeah, but it literally 20-folded its stock price. So, and this was month over month, right? It delivered 5,000 vehicles as a rule. 5,000 vehicles a month. That is 12 times 5. So that's, they sell 60,000 cars. 60,000 cars they sell in a year, right? I want to show you something. So Tesla, if we go back approximately if we take a look at Tesla, right? What was the market cap here? 2017, right? This was 2017 Tesla. Tesla was sitting at $78, which if we calculate that, that's about, okay, you know what? We're going to take this price right here. One of the higher prices. Around $60, right? Tesla was $60 right there. This was in 2015. So, deliveries, Tesla 2015. How many did they deliver? I wonder. I might be wrong, right? Because okay, so they were delivering 80 to 90,000 cars in 2016. In 2015, they delivered 107,000 cars. So twice the amount of what NIO is selling right now. Almost twice the amount. Plus, you have to consider the fact that Tesla has Elon Musk as a CEO, which is it's Elon Musk, and that Tesla has other aspects of the company that is going strong for them. So, if you consider those things, we're twice the valuation of Tesla, right? Because if we take a look at the price, so back then, 2015, where was this? Somewhere around here. We had a valuation of like $55, which if you do that times 8, which is like 400. So you have to divide the market cap, what we have right now for Tesla. What is Tesla's market cap? 400 billion. So back then in 2015, Tesla was worth $40 billion and was delivering twice the amount of vehicles as NIO is doing. And on top of this, they had solar, they had more things than NIO, more products. NIO has a market cap of 60 billion. So NIO right now is $20 billion more valuable than Tesla back in 2015, despite selling half the vehicles, having less products than Tesla, not having an Elon Musk, and it's in China. Like, Tesla is worldwide. So I really don't get the valuation. Like, in every kind of aspect, it does not make sense. Not at all. Is NIO falling? Did my speech just make NIO fall? Oh, it's falling. Cool. It just doesn't make sense. It's like super overvalued right now. NIO should be sitting at around 30 billion market cap. 30 to 40 billion. Maybe lower. This is the hype trade, right? I can show you back in Tesla's history, we had a similar moment. I can show you really, really quick what happened. If we take a look at the daily chart. This is basically what happened to Tesla. Hold on. They're not China's, Elon. It's not. NIO is not China's Tesla, or yeah, it's not. It's just not the same thing. There are many electric vehicle manufacturers. Tesla's doing a different thing. So we had this surge for Tesla, something very similar to what we have right now, and then we had an immense correction. This correction was approximately 50%, right? Almost 50%, 40%. And then we went up again. So I think something similar is going to be happening for NIO. If we take a quick look at this. So I would have to do this. This was Tesla, right? If I do this, it's like, oh, but that's NIO. No, it's Tesla. We topped out around $40, which, how much is that? That's about, this was the market cap of 40 billion, right? In 2013. Then we had a correction. This was the first 3 years for Tesla. First, we were like trading at very low valuation, and then eventually people thought, oh, this is Tesla. This is pretty great product, pretty great CEO, etc. They bought back in, and it went up huge, corrected after that. This looks very similar to what I'm going to show you right now. NIO. What? Look, doesn't that look similar? Honestly, doesn't this look similar to what we just saw? And then we correct downwards. We're even at the same valuation. Tesla did this at $40. NIO's going to do it at $45. 47, 45, right around that range. And the MACD is about to fall off a cliff. RSI is about to fall off a cliff. I don't know, the graphs look pretty similar. They are in a similar industry. Yeah. Anyway, let's look at some stocks. Guys, make sure you drop below in the comments which stocks you want me to analyze so I know which stocks I should be analyzing. So make sure you do that. Also, for people that don't know who I am, my name is Gara. I am Lucid Trading. I try to analyze your stocks and give you the best guidance. So make sure you subscribe. We're trying to get to 7,000 subscribers. If everybody would press that subscribe button, we would be there by today. So hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. I am live every single day. You'll be notified whenever I am live. So hit the subscribe button. Also, check out the social media, check out the Discord, and check out the Patreon. All the links are in the description. Alright, so AMD. People want to see AMD. Let's go. NIO going back to $46. Okay, so I'm going to take a brief look at AMD. Yeah, I think we're about to see correction to the downside and then a bounce. So, for AMD. I think this is still the case. Yeah, I think that's the case. I think nothing has changed with the AMD prediction. It's still very similar, right? NIO. We were just at NIO, but we'll go back to NIO very soon. Palantir. Palantir is going up. It hit the it hit the support, going up to the 15.33. I think Palantir is if earnings are good, we will bounce. If they're bad, we're gonna keep correcting, just like that. We'll keep correcting, right? Because we're very overextended on the MACD. We're very overextended on the RSI. It's looking pretty bearish from here. I also said this in my videos. All right, so let's look at another stock. Apple. Let's go. Apple. There we go. Okay, so we're at key resistance. I think we will go down a bit and then we go up again. But it's going to depend on the market condition, but I think potentially come down and then go back up. Would make a lot of sense, right? We see a clear wedge pattern, right? It's hold on. So I would say that there's some room left, right, to the upside. 222 and then come back down to this level and then going up. But we'll have to see. The 4 hours looking bullish. So this could very well be the case. Dean says, Grill, it's going to be big money, and donuts $5. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Is Grill the ticker, or is like, are you trolling me? I don't necessarily know if this is the stock you want me to. It's I mean, I definitely see that there's like some potential to keep going up like that. And then see another big correction. I just don't know much about this company. Consumer services, restaurants. Yeah, I mean, yeah, looking bullish because COVID is going to be gone by next year, so it's going to be priced in. Shopify. What did we say? We said correction. We had a correction, so yeah, it's looking bullish. Shopify looking bullish. Probably going to try to go to 1,050. Or if it doesn't do that, 988, somewhere around there. SQ. Looking bullish. Prob's going to go back to 188, maybe even above that, and then come back down. But we'll see. 30 minutes. No. Actually not. I think this is right. We go down and then we go up to $190. So it's probably going to correct a bit now, and then it's going to go up to $190 and above. I would say. NEO is at $46. No, it's not. It's at, okay, now it is. 46.03. Wow, this is insane. Look at this. Look at this MACD going up like crazy. When was the last time we had such bullishness? Like never. And it's going parabolic. I don't expect this to last. Once again, I do not expect this to last. It is going to come down very, very soon, very fast. NVIDIA. I was bullish on it. We were right. We bottomed out. Then we went up. Yeah, this could continue. This could continue. Yeah, I'm still bullish on it. I think NVIDIA is going to go back to the all-time high. Definitely. Beyond Meat. Cool. We'll do that. Yeah, I was wrong about that because earnings was really bad. So, looking very bullish. I think Beyond Meat is a strong buy at this point. It went down significantly. I think it's pretty strong buy, I would say. Just a short term could be a bit bearish, but if you can withstand that, it's going to go up huge. 10, 20, 30%. All right, so I want to look at Tesla. Tesla is 420, right? $420. Looking bullish, still bullish, right? Could be a little bit of a correction, but then still rallying bullishly for Tesla. The daily is looking bullish. Every frame is looking bullish for Tesla. So I would say Tesla's looking fine. Yeah, it's looking pretty fine. All right, guys. I think I'm going to end the stream right here. I am super tired. I'm going to have to record some videos very soon. Thank you so much for joining the live stream. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this live stream at all, make sure you hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel. We're trying to reach 7,000 subscribers. It would make my day if we could get there like very soon. And it only takes 2 seconds, so make sure you subscribe. I'll be going live today before market close. So if you're subscribed, you'll get a notification. Also, make sure you check out the social media. We have an Instagram where I'll be posting short videos of the videos that I upload on YouTube with buy and sell signals. We have a TikTok as well and a Twitter where I'll be posting paragraphs about the stock market and the banks and everything. So make sure you check those out. The Instagram, the TikTok, the Twitter, and we also have a Discord server. So if you want to join the Discord server, hit the link down below in the description and we will be able to talk with you about trading and finance and investing and everything like that. So here is the Discord server. You can see it right here. It's pretty amazing. About 400 people have joined the Discord server and we're having a pretty great time there. So make sure you join. There's also a Patreon. If you want to join the Patreon, you can do that too. There's a link in the description for that. And you'll be able to donate and get many benefits like one-on-one counseling with me, early access to the videos, buying and selling signals, and many more benefits. So check out the Patreon in the description. Guys, this was Lucid Trading. I hope you have a very, very nice day. And I wish you the best of luck with your trades. I'll be recording the videos. They're going to be coming up. The Tesla, the NEO, the Palantir, the AMD, the Apple, and many more coming for today. We'll be live in a couple more hours. Make sure you're subscribed. Lucid Trading out. I will see you very soon.